Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains specifically color specific design ideas. First part contains very beautiful and creative dresses that are specifically designed for lilac color, lavender color, different shades of purple, light purple shades. And then we will move towards some other funky, beautiful, creative and elegant eye-catchy shades. So I have chosen lilac color because most of you have been commenting and liking this color shade and requesting me to share design ideas relevant to this. So different type of stylized patterns ranging from neckline embroidery to moving towards more creative and stylized patterns of hand embroidery like bottleline embroidery, like all over floral embroidery sprays to full embroidery motifs. So I would recommend you to do try the video and different type of stylized patterns, which design you like the most. Try that. If you are an embroidery beginner, then you can also try these patterns. If you are an embroidery artist or a lover of embroidery, then these designs are absolutely for you. On our channel, we try on daily basis to share amazing, beautiful, and creative ideas so that uh, beauty and creativity could be shared with you on time and the scope is not limited to this only. The scope is broader and wider in its perspective. So I would recommend you to watch the video till end. And this video is a bi-dimensional treat for the ones who are not lover or likers of hand embroidery and they prefer machine embroidery. So the ones who are interested in machine embroidery, guys, this video collection is also for you because these very beautiful, funky, and creative collection and design ideas of embroidery could be equally used for machine embroidery or computer embroidery as well. So, ranging from different sideline designs, chalk design, pocket embroidery, floral motif embroidery, stylized patterns, to moving towards more contextual designs, I have shared each and every detail with you. So, in return, I would request you is to like my video, leave comments below my video, to share your thoughts with us, how we can improve our suggestion ideas, sharing platform with you. This is very, very, very important. So you can subscribe from number of other devices as well. And guys, we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind making videos and sharing design ideas and creativity with you is to share our opinions and designs.